Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how can you create DupDub account. The process will be quite simple and easy, so watch the video till the end so you don't miss any steps. The first thing is open your PC browser. The second thing is write in the search bar, like I am writing DupDub Studio. On the first number, you will see the option DupDub. Simply tap on this. And here is the official website of DupDub Studio. Tap on this one. Here are different options, like start a 3-day free trial. If you look here, sign up, it's free, but you don't have to tap on these options. Tap on the option Login. Once you will tap on the option Login, it will redirect to this page. And from here, accept all the cookies. And here, log in with your Google account or with Facebook. Or if you have any other email, you can also write that and log in with that one. But for me, I'll log in with my Google account, so that's why I'm tapping on the option Google. And here is my Google account. I'm tapping on this one because my Google account is already logged in here. So that's why it's not asked about any confirmation. Describe yourself. Why are you using I am selecting for my personal use? After this, tap on the option Continue. From here, describe your business. Like I will select Education. After selecting, tap on the option Continue. And here, explain your content. Like I will select learning content and tap on the option Submit. So you'll see my account has been created successfully. So it was a basic way by which you can create DupDub account on your email address.